Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so changes behave predictably. First, check Windows Update to ensure you have recent fixes. Make sure you know the build number. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus and unplug VPNs because they can block Defender UI. Then open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair system files. This often restores missing Defender components. If SFC reports errors, note them before moving on to the next set of fixes. Next, target the Defender application and dependent services so the UI can render. Restart the PC, then open services. MSC and set Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center to automatic and start them. After that, run PowerShell as admin and re-register the Windows Security app with the getapps package and addapps package sequence to restore missing app manifests. Make sure to reset the Windows Security app via Settings App's Advanced Options, so cached failures are cleared before testing the UI again. To finish, reboot and open Windows Security to verify the interface loads and virus and threat protection appears. If it works, run a quick full scan to ensure Defender functions. If the black screen persists, create a new local user account and log in. A profile corruption often causes UI failures, so this isolates the problem. If needed, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. One tip: always re-enable third-party AV only after Defender is stable to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.